how much cash is enough to keep a defendant in jail.
By any reasonable measure, $900,000 is a lot of money. It's also the amount of bond Anthony Brown would have to pay to walk out of jail while awaiting trial for murder.
He's gone. He left.
Take a look at this body camera footage we've obtained. It shows the aftermath of what Brown is accused of doing. 2 weeks ago, police say Brown shot 2 people inside this Fairfield Township Walmart. 35-year-old shopper Adam Black died from his injuries. An attorney for Brown has entered 2 pleas, not guilty and not guilty by reason of insanity.
My expectation would be that when somebody says essentially they were insane at the time they committed an act, they're going to have an awfully hard time getting out on any kind of bond.
Butler County Prosecutor Mike Mosier is weighing in on Brown's case because a magistrate recently lowered bond for the 32-year-old to $900,000 from $5 million.
The public certainly wants to know, how did that happen?
Mosier thinks one issue that could be at play is a ruling in January by Ohio's Supreme Court that said when setting bond, judges should just focus on a defendant's financial situation.
But then you have prosecutors that want to take into consideration, as I do, public safety.
Mosier supports a constitutional amendment Ohio voters will decide in November. If it passes, judges would be able to consider a suspect's potential threat to public safety when setting bond.
And actually add another step that would independently allow a prosecutor to argue, in addition to the issue of his availability for trial and the penalty for not showing up, we think he's a danger to society and he shouldn't get out at all.
Now, I can tell you there are critics of the proposed amendment who argue that state law already includes steps that prosecutors can take to keep dangerous suspects in jail, but that requires evidentiary hearings. And I did attend one of those hearings recently in a completely unrelated case, and after listening to a whole lot of evidence, the judge in that case issued no bond for the defendant, meaning that defendant has to stay in jail until trial. Reporting live downtown, Todd Dykes, WLWT News 5.